Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Hacks. In our last hack, we talked about using the Alt-Tab loop to counter the error of failing to select cells or failing to apply the Ctrl-Shift-L filter shortcut in Excel. Today, we're going to add to that flow and show how to use Excel shortcuts to filter a single value on a column, to remove filters, and to filter multiple values on a column. Let us begin with filtering a single value on a column. Before running the Ctrl-Shift-L shortcut, we need to select the top cell on the column to be filtered. Let us select C1 so as to filter on column C. After running the Ctrl-Shift-L shortcut to enable filters, we need to select the filter icon on C1. We achieve this using the Alt-Down shortcut. We're going to use a combination of press-release actions for Alt and a send key action for down. We want to filter column C where the value is 26. We do this by sending the F key to open the text filters, then send the E key to achieve the equals logic. This is done using a single send key action, although you can also do it in two separate ones. By this time, the cursor is in values text box of the custom autofilter window. Then send the digits 26 followed by the enter key. Let us run the flow. We notice that the flow runs and successfully filters the data by column C where the value is 26. Next, we're going to look at how to remove filters from Excel. We had applied them using the Ctrl-Shift-L shortcut, so apply the same shortcut to remove them. Finally, we will see how to set up a filter that filters multiple items from one column. For this, we have designed a custom filter subflow that I will run you through. The subflow is similar to the one where we were filtering one item only, with the point of sending the Alt-Down shortcut key. After this action, we send the E key that places the cursor in the search area of the filter dialog. Then the tab key that highlights the select all option, then send the space key to uncheck select all. This ensures that no data has been selected to be filtered. We then send the shift tab key that takes us back to the search text box and send the keys 50 followed by enter. This filters the data to remain with rows containing the value 50 in column C. To add 26 to the selection, we send the Alt-Down keys followed by E. We then type 26 in the search area using the send keys action, send the tab key twice, followed by the down space keys to select the add current selection to filter option and press enter. This adds 26 to the current filter selection. You can repeat these steps for as many items as are required in the filter selection ensuring that each time before sending Alt down, the selected cell is the one where you would like to initiate the filter, which is C1 for this example. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.